Eldoria is a planet unlike any other, a mysterious and vast world created for the purpose of preserving Earth's animals. It is a planet twice the size of Earth, yet with gravity that feels identical to our own. Eldoria's unique rotation and seasonal cycles create an environment both familiar and alien to the creatures that now call it home. A single day on Eldoria lasts 48 hours, with 24 hours of daylight followed by 24 hours of night. This slow rotation gives the planet a unique rhythm, affecting everything from the behavior of its inhabitants to the growth cycles of its plants. Eldoria's orbit around its star, a blue giant named Aurora, creates a complex interplay of light and darkness that shapes the planet's distinct seasons. Eldoria is the sixth planet from Aurora. Eldoria's year is divided into two main seasons, celestial warmth, CW, and celestial frost, CF. These seasons are not just about temperature changes. They are marked by dramatic shifts in light and atmospheric phenomena, all influenced by Eldoria's moon, Lumina. During celestial warmth, CW, Lumina is visible in the sky, casting a gentle, consistent light that bathes the planet in warmth. The days during CW are long, with sunlight lasting for 28 hours, while the nights are shorter, only 20 hours. The presence of Lumina during this time ensures stable conditions across Eldoria, with the familiar and comforting glow of the moon overseeing the planet's daily activities. Interestingly, during CW, the northern lights, which are a common feature of the sky in CF, disappear, leaving the night skies clearer, with only the stars and the glow of Lumina providing illumination. In contrast, celestial frost, CF, is a time of colder temperatures and longer nights. Lumina disappears entirely from the sky during this season, plunging the nights into a deep, starless darkness that lasts for 28 hours. However, in the absence of Lumina, the skies come alive with the vibrant colors of the northern lights, creating a breathtaking display of swirling hues that dance across the heavens. These lights, created by the interaction of solar winds from Aurora with Eldoria's magnetic field, bring a mysterious beauty to the long nights of CF. During CF, the days are shorter, lasting only 20 hours, and the temperatures drop significantly, especially in regions far from the equator. Eldoria is divided into several distinct regions, each tailored to suit the needs of different types of ecosystems from Earth. These regions replicate the natural habitats of Earth's animals, allowing them to thrive in environments similar to those they once knew. Lush Region. The Lush Region is the largest and most vibrant area on Eldoria, representing the tropical rainforests of Earth. This region is a sprawling expanse of dense vegetation, towering trees, and an immense diversity of life. It is home to every species that once inhabited Earth's rainforests, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. The air here is thick with humidity, and the ground is carpeted with a rich layer of undergrowth. The lush region is spread equally across the northern and southern hemispheres of Eldoria, ensuring that its biodiversity is preserved throughout the planet. Torrid Zone. The Torrid Zone is a harsh, sun-scorched land, divided between the northern and southern hemispheres, with 70% of it located in the northern hemisphere. This region encompasses the ecosystems of Earth's African savannas and hot deserts. Here, the landscape is dominated by vast grasslands, dotted with acacia trees, and arid deserts, where temperatures can soar to extreme heights. The Torrid Zone is home to the animals of Earth's hottest environments, including lions, elephants, camels, and various species of reptiles. This region is where life has adapted to survive in the most challenging conditions, with animals that are masters of endurance and resourcefulness. Arctic Circle. The Arctic Circle on Eldoria is a frigid expanse that mirrors the icy conditions of Earth's Arctic and Antarctic regions. This region is a land of ice and snow, where temperatures remain below freezing for most of the year. The Arctic Circle is home to animals that once thrived in Earth's polar regions, such as polar bears, penguins, seals, and Arctic foxes. The landscape is a stark, white wilderness, with glaciers, icebergs, and frozen seas stretching as far as the eye can see. The Arctic Circle is divided between the northern and southern hemispheres, with each hemisphere experiencing the extreme cold of CF when the other is in CW. The unique seasonal cycles of Eldoria have led to fascinating adaptations among its animal inhabitants. During celestial frost, CF, the drop in temperature and the disappearance of Lumina drive many species to migrate. Animals from the watery coastal region, where the seas can freeze over and coastal areas become inhospitable, move towards the equator or to regions experiencing celestial warmth, CW. But uniquely during CF, the disappearance of lumina is made up with the visible northern light at the night, which disappears during CW. In contrast, during celestial warmth, CW, the extended daylight and warmer temperatures allow animals in colder regions to become more active. The torrid zone, while already hot, becomes even more arid and challenging during CW, driving some species to seek temporary refuge in the slightly cooler equatorial regions or in the shadows of the lush region's dense forests. Eldoria is protected by powerful beings, each tasked with maintaining the balance of their respective regions. The guardian of the lush region oversees the dense forests, ensuring the growth and health of its vast biodiversity. This guardian possesses the unique ability to control vegetation, ensuring that the forests remain dense and vibrant. The guardian of the torrid zone controls the flow of air and weather patterns in this harsh region, using its powers to ensure that even in the extreme heat, life can continue to thrive. The guardian of the Arctic Circle wields control over the weather, using its abilities to manage the icy conditions and protect the animals that live in this frozen land. The guardian of the watery coastal region safeguards the boundaries between the coastlines and the vast oceans, preventing dangerous sea creatures from entering the coastal waters and managing the delicate balance of marine life. The guardian of the lush is a serpent, the guardian of torrid zone is a lioness, the guardian of the Arctic Circle is a peacock, and the guardian of the watery coastals is a seagull. In addition to the primary regions, Eldoria features a mysterious and uninhabited area known as the Unknown Glaciers. Located in the southernmost part of the planet, this icy wasteland remains untouched by life. It is a place of potential future colonization by cold-adapted species, but for now, it stands as a stark reminder of the planet's raw, untamed power. Eldoria's extreme weather patterns are another unique feature, driven by the interaction of cold air from the unknown glaciers with warmer air moving towards the equator. These interactions can result in violent storms, including tornadoes, that sweep across the planet, adding an element of unpredictability to life on Eldoria.